Stock market news made simple. September 9th, 2025. What happened today? The stock market had a really good day. Think of the stock market like a giant store where people buy and sell pieces of companies. When more people want to buy than sell, prices go up. And that's what happened today. Why did stocks go up? The government shared some news about jobs in America. They said there were actually fewer new jobs created than they first thought. You might wonder, wait, isn't that bad news? Well, here's why it helped the stock market. When there are fewer jobs, the people in charge of money, called the Federal Reserve, might decide to make it cheaper for people to borrow money. It's like when a store has a sale. They lower prices so more people will shop there. What are interest rates? Interest rates are like the price you pay to borrow money. When rates are lower, it's cheaper for people to buy houses and cars. Companies can borrow money more easily to grow their business. People are more likely to buy stocks instead of keeping money in the bank. The numbers. All three main groups of stocks reached their highest points ever on the same day. The S&P 500 went up 0.3%, the Nasdaq went up 0.4%, the Dow Jones went up 0.4%, that's 196 points. What could happen next? Some smart people who study money think the Federal Reserve will definitely lower interest rates next week. It's almost certain to happen. But they're not sure if rates will keep going down after that. Some experts worry that if rates don't stay low long enough, it might not help create enough new jobs for everyone who wants to work. Company news. Apple stock went down 1.5% after they showed off their new iPhone 17. Mining companies did really well because two big companies decided to team up. Gold prices hit a new record high because people think interest rates will go down. What this means. When interest rates go down, it usually helps the stock market because companies can borrow money more cheaply to grow. People have more money to spend. Investors look for better returns than what banks offer. Think of it like this. If your piggy bank only gave you 1 penny for every dollar you saved, but your friend's lemonade stand could give you 5 pennies for every dollar, where would you put your money? The bottom line. Today was a great day for people who own stocks. The possibility of cheaper borrowing costs made investors happy and pushed stock prices to new records. However, some experts remind us that the stock market can be unpredictable, just like the weather.